When opting for a new refrigerator, you can find Amana refrigerator reviews to be very useful.
These would be able to provide you insights on the various models, designs and functions Amana has to offer.
There are also various features of which will be detailed in such reviews.
Among the most common pieces of information you would find in these Amana refrigerator reviews are the comparisons of the refrigerators.
There are certain models for side-by-side doors, the bottom mount and the 3-door refrigerators.
These are aptly described along with a variety of features each has to offer.
For example, with the side-by-side refrigerator, you would be able to know that these come in 2 full-length doors which come with sleek handles for a touch of elegance.
These come in an array of trays, bins and compartments where you can have the full option to choose how to use it.
These often come with a water and ice dispenser which is complemented by the ice maker function.
When it is fully opened, you would be able to see 4, roughly even-sized sections. Both doors and the main section divided vertically into 2.
The 3-door refrigerator on the other hand is divided into different sections. A designated compartment for the freezer. Both sides of the top doors come with compartments in clear plastic for easy viewing, and the main section where there are various layers and shelves for various purposes.
Some of these models even come with a wine or bottle rack inside.
The bottom mount on the other hand is featured with a large capacity freezer which one can store large quantities of food items in.
The top portion or the actual refrigerator is subdivided into compartments, trays, bins and shelves for easy storage.
Practically the greatest piece of information you would get in these Amana refrigerator reviews is the fact that these refrigerators, no matter the model, are all created using ergonomic designs.
These provide the best quality and comfort to those who use them and is still able to give any kitchen a touch of elegance and class.